UV gel technology. At the very heart of Canon's proprietary UV gel technology is the ink, our unique UV gel ink. UV gel ink is a gel everywhere except inside the printhead, where it is heated, turning it briefly into a jettable liquid. While a temperature-controlled platen maintains your print media at a constant low temperature, meaning the heated ink drops immediately return to a solid gel on contact with the media. Finally, once the entire image is formed and gelled, full LED curing takes place. With UV gel, droplets can be jetted right next to or even on top of one another without coalescence, creating a spectacular, thin ink profile with controlled dot gain. Only UV gel technology allows you to level up your game. Print speeds are no longer limited by curing. Ink can be deposited in fewer passes, and prints dry instantly. That's not all. Now, UV gel technology brings you white ink. And with a fast buildup of opacity with less ink, it's up to 3 times faster than comparable technologies. And because it's treated as any other color, there's no printhead handling or extra maintenance, saving you time and money. The new generation Colorado M series of printers is your ideal partner. Their unique modular construction, extensive range of applications, and commitment to productivity and sustainability will help you level up your game. Not just today or tomorrow, but for years to come. The Colorado M series. Level up your game.